symphony in white marble, stands as a testament to an emperor's devotion.
Tanto, tanto amor, tanto, tanto amor, tanto, tanto amor, tanto, tanto amor.
Each dawn, the sun's first light kisses its majestic dome, casting a golden hue that awakens the senses. Shah Jahan's love for Mumtaz Mahal is etched into the very fabric of this magnificent structure, a love story immortalized in every arch and minaret.
Tanto, tanto amor, tanto, tanto amor, tanto, tanto amor, tanto, tanto amor.
This monument is more than just a mausoleum, it is a celebration of love, a masterpiece that has captivated hearts for centuries. As the day turns to dusk, the Taj Mahal bathes in a soft, ethereal glow, its reflection shimmering in the tranquil waters below.